Here is why your detailing business is not growing and you're not seeing the results you want to. Hi, my name is Travis Ventrella, and in this YouTube video, I want to walk you through some practical things that I have learned that help me go from working in my car detailing business to working on my detailing business and ultimately scaling it to 6 figures. Now, one of the reasons why a lot of people in business struggle in general is they're trying to do everything on their own. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been trying to watch YouTube video after YouTube video. Maybe you've joined many courses here and there, you've read books, but you still aren't getting the results you're looking for. Maybe you're stuck at 3 to 10K a month with your detailing business. One of the biggest lessons I learned as number one is at the end of the day, the reason why so many people struggle is they're trying to build their business on their own. Now, if you look at any successful person in life, whether it be in any career, sports, it could be in business, whatever field you want to look at, the reason why those people are successful is because they decided to get a coach. They knew that they couldn't learn how to get better and perform better on their own. They needed to get a coach, someone who already had a proven process that works over and over again. And that's the number one common mistake most detailers make, is they get in a business because they want to build something big. They want time freedom, financial freedom, but they just don't know what to do or when to do it. And the biggest thing that would separate you from those who don't succeed is by getting a coach. Work with someone who already has a proven process. And that's why I believe the best thing you could do if you're stuck right now is find an expert in your field. Find someone who's already been there, they've already done it, and they've already gotten the results. Now, in my case, I got started in business at 16 years old, built my first 7-figure business in 2021, and really put me in a place where I was able to spend over $100,000 in coaching. And I got my first coach when I was completely broke, because I knew that just watching YouTube videos, reading books was not gonna do it for me. I needed to figure out what I wanted, find someone who already had that proven process, and just hire them as a coach. Alex Hormozi, he sold his company, I believe, for over $100 million. And one of the biggest lessons I learned from him is if you're in a place where you need to make more money and you want to push the needle forward in your business, the best place to invest is in yourself, not the S&P 500, but the S&Me 500. If you are below $20,000 a month right now as a car detailer or ceramic coating installer, you shouldn't just be dumping your money on ads or an agency. You should invest in a coach that already built a highly successful business and literally duplicate the entire process they've already proven over and over again to get results. I see way too many people that just stay stuck because they're not willing to invest in themselves. You know, I find another common problem is a lot of detailers, what they do is they try to get a van way too soon. They try to do all these different things at the wrong time, end up in a lot of debt, and they still don't have the amount of customers they want to be working with it. Instead, what you should do is you should take your excess cash, invest it in acquiring skills that are gonna make you more money. And so to sum this all up, the reason why your business is not growing and you're stuck at where you're at is because you're just trying to do things on your own. And you could either pay for quick, rapid advancement with time or money. You could try to figure it out on your own for the next 10, 20 years and maybe eventually get to a place where you have your business growing and it's hitting levels that you really want it to hit. Or you could just use money to invest in a coach or a system that's already been proven to work over and over again. And if you're in a place where you realize now the next step for you is to get a coach, I would love to offer you a free strategy call with my team and I. And really what we do is we do these calls to get an idea on where you're currently at in your detailing business, where you're stuck, what the bottlenecks are, and then what your goals are. And then we help you put together a plan that you need to stick to get to your goal. And then if it makes sense at the end of the call and we feel like we could get you the results you're looking for a lot quicker, we will walk you through what we do and how it works. And if not, no worries, we'll at least point you in the right direction. So if you found value in this video and you want to talk with my team and I, go ahead, click the link below, book a call with us, and I look forward to seeing you on there.